Hey everyone, I am here today to go ahead and unbox a brand new subscription box. This one is the Dangerous Romance Club. This is actually a fairly new box to me. I have never seen it before, but I just want to give you an idea of just how big this box is. This box is huge. It's 10 pounds. So if you're wondering if it's worth the money, it's definitely worth the money because this box is huge and it's heavy. So I have only cut it open. I have not actually looked inside. So what it is it's a subscription box for romance lovers, for romance books, and then you get little things inside that have to do with books, that have bookish sayings on them and stuff. So let's see what's in here. Ooh. The first one is caramel corn popcorn. I know my daughter will love that. I'll put that down here. And let's see here. A bubble light box where you can write things on there. That's cute. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, a bag. Okay. There are probably books in here. I like that. That's really cute. That definitely is true. Let's see what else is in here. My goodness, there's so much stuff in here. Just trying to grab it all out. Dangerous Romance coloring book. Oh, cool. So they made their own coloring book. And look, there's author word search. Oh, wow. Now that's really nice. That's really nice. Uh-oh, candy. Midnight snack. Oh my gosh. This is definitely dangerous too. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna do my best to try to open this with one hand. It feels like a mug. And it's in this little protective sleeve that is so soft. Dangerous Romance. That's cute. They made their own mugs. That's really cute. And then, of course, this is like the little protective sleeve thing that it came in. This is really cute too. I like the scene. It's pretty. This, I'm not even sure what this is. It says Dangerous Romance. I wonder if it's like a bag or it's like a burlap bag. Wow. I mean, you get a lot of stuff in this box. I'm not even done yet. Okay, so finally got to the books. Bad for You. And I've got a pen in here too. DangerousRomanceClub.com. And here is another book. Oh, there's more books down here. Okay, The Gamble. This is a really thick one. Wow. Prisoner. We'll put this over here. And then I think there's one more down here. Yep. And then this one's called Crew. And then there's more things. Oh my gosh. This looks like a little journal. And then there's colored pencils with a sharpener. That's cute. I mean, guys, I'm like literally running out of room. This is a picnic table. This is a picnic table. Oh, more. Okay. American Princess. Okay. Wow, this is really full of books. Follow. Filthy Vows. Let's see here. My goodness. Consumed. Wow. And then watching you. My goodness. I mean, if you like books, this is definitely the thing for you. This is full of stuff. Novelties. Oh, that's cute. That is really cute. Let's see, there's something in here. Let's see if I can put it down. Oh, that's jewelry. Bookish. Oh, that's cute. Oh my gosh. Let me see. It says Bookish on it. That's adorable. My daughter would have a fit for that. She's always reading something. And this is Love is Sweet, Enjoy a Treat. Looks like little caramels. Yeah, this is caramels. Oh my goodness. This thing is chock full of stuff. I'm not done yet. This is soap. Okay, and then, oh, a scarf. Wow. Okay, guys, this is so much stuff. Look at all this. Let me see if I can't even get all this stuff all up here. And then I got a bunch of bookmarks in here too. They give you a bunch of bookmarks at the bottom. Wow, okay, so here is everything that was in this 10-pound box. This stuff wasn't cheap, guys. This is like real stuff. I mean, you got jewelry, you got plenty of books. I don't think anybody could read that many books in 1 month. Well, maybe I could, but you got candy, you got soap, you got pencils, journals, a mug, a bag, coloring books. I mean, guys, this is chock full of stuff. If you're looking for a romance book subscription box, this is worth your money. This is not a cheap subscription box. This has got everything in it that I could ever possibly ask for in a really neat subscription box. So again, this one is called DangerousRomanceClub.com, and I highly suggest you check it out if you love romance books like this. And if you're looking for a really good box for your money. I mean, this is so much stuff. This is a picnic table that it's covering. And I'm just got it all piled up together. So I'm glad that you guys enjoyed this subscription box. And go ahead and subscribe if you want to see any more subscription box unboxings. I'll have more soon. And I hope you guys like this video.